Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a works cited page using EasyBib.com. Now there are other websites that you can use, and feel free to do those because they're all fairly similar, but I had to start with one. So we're starting with EasyBib. The first step is to register right over here, and you just fill in your name and your email and then a password. But since I've already done that, I'm going to skip that step and go right to login. And I'm going to put my email and then my password. And then I'm going to click Login. So once I do that, then what I want to do is go ahead and create a new project, since that's what you are going to be doing. You will not have anything ready yet. And you want to name your project anything that's going to help you remember what this is for. You can do English research. Then you can go ahead and leave this and just hit create. So now that you have a project created, you're going to go down to it and click bibliography, because that's another way of saying a works cited page. And that's what we want to create, and you will see this site. And you'll see many different sources: website, book, newspaper, etc., up to 59 other options, and choose whatever source is going to make sense for you, but I'm going to go through website since this is what most of you are going to be using. And so if you use a website, what you need to do is go back to the original website where you found some of your information. Now you will have to do this step for each and every piece of information that you use for each source. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top where there's the URL or the link, and you want to highlight and then copy it. And then what you're going to do is going to go back and you're going to paste that website address here, and you're going to click Cite This. And the next page you see should look something like this, where the website has automatically filled in some of the categories, and some of them are red, meaning it wasn't able to pick it up from the website. So what you need to do is go back through and look and see what information you still need to gather. So for this, it's the author, the publisher, and the electronic published date. So in which case you need to go back to the original website and find that information. So here's the author, here's the publication date, and I'm going to go all the way down to where publications usually are, and it's the Ogden publication. So I'm going to go back through, and I'm going to put the name, I'm going to put the publisher, and I'm going to put the day, the month, and the year. Now, not all websites have every single bit of this information, as in they may not have a direct author, they may only have the year of the publication date, things like that, in which case whatever you don't have, leave it blank. Now, if most of this is blank, then you should ask yourself if that is a reliable source. But this is a pretty good one, since I can fill in almost all of the categories. So once I do that, then I'm going to hit Create Citation. Once I've created the citation, then what I get to do is I get to highlight the actual citation here, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go down to a Microsoft Word blank document, and I'm going to paste it. Sorry, my computer's kind of on the fritz. So something like this should appear. And more than likely, you're going to have, well, you will have 3 different sources. Obviously, the names will be different because they will be from different sources, but I wanted you to see what this is going to look like. So let's say you have 3 of them done. To make it look like a works citation page, you want to highlight all of that. You want to right-click and go down to Paragraph. You go up to Special, and you want it hanging. And you hit OK, because then what it does is automatically backwards indents the citation, because the only thing you want sticking out is the most important piece of information.